Evening guys, today we are going to discuss some random questions regarding PNB promotion exam. First question, banking is defined under which act? Banking Regulation Act. Next, which of the following is an intangible asset? Stock, machinery, capital, goodwill. It is goodwill. When net working capital will be negative? When will be net working capital is negative? Question. When current liabilities are more than current assets, net working capital will be negative. What is the full form of NPCI? It is National Payment Corporation of India. What is the relationship between bank and customer in case of overdraft? It is creditor and debtor. Bank remits funds to RBI for deposit in DEF account. What do you mean by DEF account? If an account is not operated for 10 years, then it is known as DEF account. Along with growing crops, farmer undertakes rearing of livestock. It is called which type of farming? It is called mixed farming. What is the impact of inflation? What is the impact of inflation? Answer, purchasing power of money goes down. Purchasing power of money goes down. Next question, a customer had given stop payment instruction to bank, but check was passed due to bank's mistake. Customer account should be credited within how much time? Answer, immediately. Next, what is maximum amount of claim that can be filed with Lok Adalat? It is rupees 20 lakhs. In case of hypothecation, what kind of possession with the bank? Bank makes what type of possession? It is constructive possession in case of hypothecation. What is balance sheet? What do you mean by balance sheet? It is statement of assets and liability as on a date. It is important guys. Statement of assets and liability as on that day. Banks cannot grant loans against security of its own shares. This is as per dash. It is as per section 20 of Banking Regulation Act. What will be the impact of reduction in SLR or CRR? Impact is liquidity will increase, resulting in more funds available to banks for lending. What is the rate of subsidy in PMEGP if loan is made to a SC/ST woman in rural areas? Answer, 35% of the project cost. What is the status of nominee in case of deposits? Answer, he is trustee of legal heirs. Thank you.